To disassemble the controls on the steering wheel, once you have the airbag removed, you need a Torx I believe this is a I think this is a T25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You remove these screws first. Once the screws are removed, the T25s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have also removed the little things that hold it in place. You then peel the trim pieces off. You can just pull it and then it'll come all apart. So it takes some force to pry this trim piece off of it. I like to keep the steering wheel on the car so I could use it as leverage to pull it. So I just pulled it with my hands, and it basically, the whole thing just comes apart, as you can see. It's held in by clips. I didn't break anything. And then you'll release this wire to disconnect the trim piece.